the basic tasks of wireframe and surface design. So the wireframe and surface workbench allows us to create wireframe construction elements during preliminary design and enrich existing 3D mechanical part design with wireframe and basic surface features. As a complement to part design, this product meets the requirement of solid-based hybrid modeling. The feature-based approach offers a productive and intuitive design environment to capture and reuse design methodologies and specifications. To enter into the workbench, we have to click on Start, click on Mechanical Design, and select Wireframe and Surface Design. The Wireframe and Surface Design workbench will be displayed. The basic tasks you will perform in the wireframe and surface workbench are mainly the creation of wireframe and surface geometry that we will use to build the part design. Let us start off with creating a wireframe geometry. Wireframe geometry is the geometry that helps us to create features when needed. Creating this geometry is a simple operation that we can perform at any time. Two creations modules are available. Either you create geometry with its history or not. Geometry with no history is called a datum. Let us start off by creating points. We can create points using coordinates. We click on the point. We have point definition dialog box. Let us enter 70 mm, 100 mm and 120 mm and click on OK. We can see that a point is created at the mentioned coordinates. Now to draw a point on the curve, let us have a curve like this. Click on point, select the curve where we want and select where we want the point on the curve. It can be at any distance from the origin. Click here, click on OK. We have a point on the curve. You can again select the curve and select the point and click on OK. This is how we create point on the curve. Now to draw a point on the plane, click on point and select on plane and select the plane on which we want to draw the point. Select this plane. You can see that XY plane a point can be created. We can also create a point on plane of YZ axis like that. This is how we create point on plane. If we want to create a point on the surface, let us say we have a surface like this. Now click on point, select on surface and select the surface. You can see that we can create a point anywhere on the surface, but once we get out of the surface, the point will not move. So you can create a point here, click on OK. You can see that a point is created on the surface. We can also create a point on surface, select the surface. In this corner, click on OK. We can see that a point is created on the surface. Now to create a circle center, let us have a circle like this and click on point, click on circle sphere and select the circle. We can see that this is the center of the circle, this point over here. This is a point displayed at the center of the selected circle. And click on OK. Now to create a tangent on curve, let us select point, and select tangent on curve, select the curve, and direction is a line on top of the curve. Save this. You can see that a point is created exactly at the tangent of the line on the curve. Click on OK. Like this. Now to create a point between a line, let us select point 1 as this and point 2 as this. The ratio of 0.5. Click on OK. We have a point right in between the two lines. Point 1, point 2 line, and this is the point created. So this is how we use point on surface design.